Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. My name is Gretchen and I am so excited, as you can see, because I have taken out my fall decor and it is time for me to clean and decorate for fall. I know it's a little bit early, but I am ready to change out my summer decor and just switch it up. And fall, I just love the smells of fall and I just love the tones and the colors. So I am really looking forward to this video. I am also really excited because this is another collaboration hosted by Drea from Clueless Mama D and Kristen from Kristen's Chaotic Life. If you remember, back in the beginning of the summer, I took part in a collaboration and they hosted it and it was so much fun. And I was so excited when I got the invite to take part in this open collab. So when you're done watching my video, don't forget to check the playlist. I'll leave it in the description box below. There are some other amazing women cleaning and decorating for fall, so I hope you can get more inspiration from them also. So you can see that I started off in the kitchen. I wanted to give it a really good wipe down before I started decorating. And I was really excited to start decorating in here first just because of a certain piece that I was kind of brewing up in my head. And thankfully the kitchen wasn't too messy just because I had already cleaned up that morning. But I wanted to wipe everything down with my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider vinegar, which I was so excited that I found. So I really like to decorate the kitchen, but I don't like it to feel too cluttered, especially since we don't have too much counter space. And I thought it would be a great idea, and I've seen this before, where you put your decorations on a cake stand and then style it that way. And I was so excited to try this, and I loved how it turned out. I think it was the pop of the green and the light blue in that pumpkin, and just the other pieces that brought it together look so nice. I feel like it was simple, yet it just brought a lot of life into the kitchen. So I was really excited about this section. And then I went ahead and took that tray where I usually keep my husband's stuff and cleaned it out. I wanted to just start fresh, wipe everything down, and get that clean. So I actually had a really difficult time trying to figure out what I wanted to do as a centerpiece for the table. You can see, if you remember from my summer decor, I moved that white pitcher that I had. I moved it into the kitchen and I used it to hold the wooden spoons, which originally that's where it was. One thing that I like to do when I am decorating, whether it's for a season or just decorating my home, is I like to get decor that I can use year round. So my golds and my silvers, they really let me do that and also kind of give my house a little bit of a farmhouse feel, but with a glam. So I like to mix it up, but I like it to be budget friendly. And I just did not like how that centerpiece turned out. So you'll see later that I change it out to something more simple. Here's another area where I struggle, and you'll see that I take these floral arrangements and I move them over to the table. I was trying to go for something here, but I felt like the tray was too big and I just wasn't getting the style that I was looking for. I just wanted to show you guys kind of my thought process when I'm decorating, and I was trying to get this area to just not look too cluttered. So here I go again. You can see I changed it and I am just rearranging things. Who else is like that when you're decorating? You just keep changing your mind until I finally decided on what I wanted, and I think in the end it turned out nice. Then I went ahead and went into the guest bathroom just to clean it up a little bit and go ahead and decorate it in there. Normally I don't decorate the other bathrooms, but the guest bathroom I like to switch it out seasonally just because other people come in there. And I had decorated it for summer and I bought a few things that I kept. I did end up keeping the white curtain, and the towels I thought still went really well with the fall, and I added this little arrangement here. The flowers are from Dollar Tree, and the little pumpkins that you saw me put down are also from the Dollar Tree. I just went ahead and wiped everything down. Another way that I like to decorate for the seasons and try to keep it budget friendly, besides shopping around my house and using home decor all year round, I like to go to the Dollar Tree, and I found so much fall decor from the Dollar Tree. All the florals, the pumpkins, a lot of them were from last year. I did pick up some new ones. The majority of the florals, probably except for 2 bunches that I bought at Walmart, were all from the Dollar Tree. So this is how everything turned out. That fall is my favorite board. I got that from Target Dollar Spot last year, and I love that thing. And I went ahead and decorated the cake stand that we already had with Dollar Tree pumpkins, the Dollar Tree sign that gather with grateful hearts, and the greenery I had in the living room from my summer decor, and that was from Walmart, and the pumpkin was from TJ Maxx. And I ended up adding pumpkins to this little area here, and those are all from the Dollar Tree. And here is how the table arrangement turned out. I moved the florals onto the gold tray, and almost all of the flower arrangements I had from last year that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree, except for a few florals that I picked out from 2 bunches at Walmart, and I just kind of clipped them individually and inserted them in, and I think it turned out really pretty. And then all the pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. That thankful sign was from Target last year, the Target Dollar Spot. And I picked up these gold placemats from the Bell's Outlet here. They really added a nice touch to everything. And then this is how the TV entertainment stand turned out. I think it was a perfect combination of like rustic and glam and not too cluttered. And in this frame, I just added a picture from last year when we went to the pumpkin patch with the kids. So I took this hurricane vase and I added these tiny little pumpkins that were from the Dollar Tree, and they actually had clips in them. I just pulled the clips out and I filled up the vase with it. The leaves were from the Dollar Tree from last year. The Friends Gather Here sign was from the Dollar Tree also. And then this was another frame that I had gotten on clearance. And this glass pumpkin is so beautiful. I definitely think it is my favorite pumpkin that I bought this year. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up so that I know that you guys liked it. Also, if you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing because I would love to have you here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the playlist if you're looking for more inspiration for fall. See you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless.